Hey everyone, in this video we're going to use some tapping to help connect to a sense of appreciation, acceptance, love of your body as it is, whatever size it is right now. I have another video that's more about feeling into and releasing the judgments you may hold. This is more of a positive round, so let's go to the side of the hand and see how this supports you. Repeating after me, I choose today to open to the possibility of feeling gratitude, appreciation, and acceptance, maybe even some love for my body as it is right now. Even though there may be times where I have a habit of judging this body or believing things need to change, I choose to open to the possibility that exactly as I am right now, it may be possible for me to access a feeling of genuine acceptance and appreciation for this body. And I choose today to open up to the potential that the feeling and experience of acceptance, appreciation, love, and gratitude, these are feelings and ways of being that I have access to, whatever size or shape my body is. And I choose to explore connecting with those just as I am. Okay, and let's go through the points now. This body, exactly as it is right now, it's allowing me to experience life. It's doing so much, so many billions of processes in order to sustain life. All the beauty it's capable of, all the experiences that it enables me to have. And I choose to open up to allowing myself to feel some appreciation and gratitude. I'm allowing myself to relax any part of my mind or of my programming that says I can feel love or acceptance or appreciation or gratitude after things look a certain way. Allowing myself to recognize that love and acceptance, appreciation, gratitude, nothing can destroy or limit my access to these feelings. I might allow myself to imagine someone I feel genuine love for, maybe even an animal or a pet, and noticing the natural love I have. Noticing that my mind does not analyze the size or shape of that person. Doesn't start being hypercritical or hyper aware of what that animal looks like. There's just a natural wave of acceptance and appreciation. And I choose to experiment with imagining what it would feel like to extend that same grace to myself. The same acceptance and appreciation of this particular body. Allowing myself to be liberated of all the conditions that lie to me by saying, we can't feel appreciation or acceptance until things look a certain way. I choose to free myself from this. I choose to connect to the feeling of love and appreciation, of acceptance and gratitude as an energy, as an emotion. And I choose to send this to my body. My body deserves this inherently. I deserve this. I allow myself to feel this. I allow myself to extend this appreciation and acceptance to myself for no reason other than, as a human being, I deserve it. As a natural, free, innocent, newborn child would be. I was also once that newborn child. My body deserved love and appreciation then. It deserves it now. And I choose to extend that to myself and continue to nourish myself with this for the rest of the day and going forward, because I deserve that. Okay, take a breath. Hope that feels good. Hope that supports you. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. I'd love to know how you react and relate to these sort of positive rounds versus the ones that, feel into the judgment, releasing the judgment. I think they both have their place, but I'm always curious to hear how it goes for you. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks so much.